Welcome back to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the platform. Today we're exploring Vtiger CRM, found at vtiger.com. Vtiger is a comprehensive customer relationship management platform designed to help businesses manage sales, marketing, and customer support processes. It offers a range of features, including contact management, lead management, opportunity tracking, email marketing, inventory management, and more. The platform aims to provide a centralized location for managing all customer interactions, streamlining workflows, and improving efficiency. Vtiger is available in both cloud-based and on-premise deployments, offering flexibility for different business needs and preferences. Pricing varies depending on the chosen edition and the number of users, with options to suit small, medium, and large enterprises. They also offer a free version for users to test the platform's core functionalities. The platform boasts an intuitive interface and aims to be user-friendly, although the sheer number of features can feel a bit overwhelming at first. Vtiger provides comprehensive documentation and support resources to help users navigate the system and maximize its potential. It's worth noting that while Vtiger offers a robust suite of tools, integrating with other software solutions might require some technical expertise or custom development in certain cases. The platform is constantly evolving, with regular updates and new features being added based on user feedback and market trends. Overall, Vtiger presents a compelling option for businesses seeking a versatile and powerful CRM solution to enhance their customer relationship management strategies. It's particularly useful for organizations needing to manage various aspects of their customer lifecycle, from initial contact to ongoing support and sales engagement. Exploring the free version is a great way to get hands-on experience and see if Vtiger is the right fit for your specific requirements.